Well, you probably cannot see, being my little girl that Apani is. Even I'm having difficulty in seeing her, but there she is. She came out. She wanted to have obviously a little bit of an explore. Ooh. And she started off on the jungle gym, but climbed on up and went up here, and now she's made her way. Only thing is, being so little, you know, and she's grown a real lot, Apani, but still being very little, she can disappear pretty much. So I have to keep her where I can see her. And the point, I guess, of me doing this video is to say, you know, even though your little ones can up and disappear quite quickly, if you are not, of course, watching them, it is important to keep your eye on them, but let them explore. Hey, because you love it too, don't you? Of course, I can't let Apani go up there because of the fact that I can't keep my... Well, I know where she would be if she was up there, but there's too many places and too many little crevices and stuff where Apani could disappear. You go and climb on the camera. Yep, she's going to climb on the camera because she forgets that she's gotten a whole lot bigger than what she once was, and the camera used to be perfect for her to grip onto and hang on to, but of course now, sorry, she's still got a grip of it, so she's just curling away around it at the moment. Hopefully she'll let go in a minute, but yeah, trying to follow her. Tail's almost off, and I don't think that plant would support your weight anymore either, Apani. Hey? So I don't care. I'm still going to use it as... Oh, I thought the plant was going to drop and I jumped. She says I can use it. See, I'm not that fat and heavy yet, Mum. This is kind of like fun, but it keeps on dropping down on me. And this is going to drop down on you too, Missy. So yes, your little ones are just as curious, just want to explore. It's getting out your big guys. And I love being able to let the little ones come on out and have a little look around. But I will keep her here. I won't allow her to get too far away from me at all. You're going to pull that plant down? You're taking it with you. Hey? Is that fun? Missy? She says, what else? Where else? So I can't climb it, Mum. That's not very strong for me. Hey. Hey, Missy. Hey, Missy. She was at a door going absolutely berserk. Well, not berserk, but you know what my snakes do when they want to come out. So I opened, and she was pretty quick to come on out and enjoy getting some out time. And I've not really done a video of Apani actually out exploring. And she does come out and do exploring. You could say she just has more boundaries put on her than what my other snakes do. You know, once upon a time she would be more than content to stay on the jungle gym, but you know, she's gotten bigger and more confident, and now she does want to explore and do a whole lot more. And eventually, you know, she's going to be the size of Maya. Keep moving too much. You're a little mover. And now the camera needs a little minute to adjust to you. Did you want to come over? Or would I spoil your fun? Yeah. Spoiling the fun. Hey. Is this good fun? Is this good fun? I have started the process of doing some things. I'm going to change the rug out in this room. It's going to be an enormous job to do, and put a smaller rug in here, and of course put this bigger one over in the other lounge room. I have started adding, I've put a new hammock area there for the snakes, and just had a couple of shelves, added some more leaves, and we'll see. And I think I did a very quick sort of show of it, but you know, I know my snakes will enjoy that once they realise that it's there. Possibly Lily will find it first, being the girl that she is, and can spot anything that is new and different. Hey. But yeah, Apani's just a little bit too little to go up there, but it won't be long. Maya gets up there and has an absolute wonderful time, so won't be long. Definitely won't be long. But guys, this isn't anything special. This is just, well, it is special. It's Apani. And just her having a little bit of time out, and she deserves it. And so long as she hangs around up here, I'm happy for her to stay up here and just do what she wants to do. Hey, all these different things to climb on. It's all very interesting, isn't it? Will you stop moving for a second? You still got your tail hanging on that plant over there, don't you? Ah, well, you'll fit through there, so I'll let you go through there. You? Oh, get your fat belly through there. Hey, I just have to hold it. Oh, you're coming back on the camera. Oh my goodness. You're coming over to Mum? Hey, coming back to Mum. So what you doing? And climb on my shoulders. Sorry guys, you're not getting a very good view. She is so wanting to climb up on my glasses, but she also knows she can't do it anymore, that she's just too big to do it. But it was just her favourite spot. Always a favourite spot. There you go. Just a video of Apani for you all to see. And Jed has to do his good old barking at some point through the video for you to hear him. Jed. So I'm not going to yell because that would be in your ears. But guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.